At NISC, it is our job to research and gain insight into new technologies and opportunities for our membership. This year, the interest in drones has gained momentum among both telecoms and utilities. The growing demand has provided the opportunity for NISC's research, development, and quality teams to learn how drones can help your organization. Today, our teams are working on developing a tightly integrated solution within iView App Suite. NISC's vision for drones currently has three main goals. We are focused on safety, saving your organization money, as well as time. Because iView App Suite will be developed to integrate the drone's video feed, documenting, reporting, and sharing inspections has never been easier. We believe these concepts are just the beginning of how new technologies can help streamline processes while working from the field. We are excited to be working on a new innovation with several NISC members today, and look forward to what this solution will hold for the future.